What's up, YouTube? I am back and I am going to be building the Death Star final duel today. Alright, so stay tuned for this because this is going to be probably a 2-parter, maybe 3-part video. No telling, because I don't have a lot of camera memory on my phone, so I have to probably do it in sections. So let's go ahead and start. See how many bags it's got. Okay, first, go like, subscribe, comment, share my videos, start watching them. But let's see how many bags this had in it. Alright, I already got it open. This is just a huge box. Alright, here's the book. Got a decent amount of stickers in it. And it looks like there's a lot of bags. Alright, set this back over here. Okay, there's bag 5. Well, it has 6 bags total, so let's get started building. Okay, we're on to bag 2. This thing is pretty big. It's decent. It's got some weird sliding door on it. Pretty crazy. But I'm gonna get on to bag 2. Okay, so far I am really liking this set. We're on bag number 2 and I've already opened it. Got Luke and Vader fighting each other, but that's all I've built so far. But this thing is big, and that's what I'm going to be building on, I guess, the rest of this bag. So let's get to it. Okay, so I've gotten pretty far. I've got the staircase on there somewhat. This part still slides, but it's got like a little trigger switch here. I think the stairs fly up on it, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I have finished bag number 2. It's pretty cool looking. I like the front, how it slides out like that. But on to bag number 3, but that will be on my next video. So stay tuned for that, and like, subscribe, and comment. Can't say it anymore.